Number 1. 1983 Ford Thunderbird, $4,000, Winterwood, Nevada. A stylish personal luxury coupe from the early 1980s that still carries classic rear-wheel drive Ford character. This Thunderbird runs and comes with a clean title, but it clearly needs restoration work. Even so, these cars are becoming harder to find in original condition, making it a good budget-friendly project for someone wanting a vintage cruiser with strong potential. Number 2. 1987 Ford F350 four-wheel drive, $2,200, Cave Junction, Oregon. A heavy-duty work truck powered by the legendary 460 cubic inch, 8-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission. Equipped with Dana 60 axles front and rear, this truck was built for tough jobs and off-road durability. While it has gauge and electrical issues along with high mileage, it still runs well and would make an excellent farm truck or utility hauler. Number 3. 1976 Oldsmobile Delta 88, $12,500, Seattle, Washington. A clean and comfortable full-size American sedan with only about 35,000 miles claimed. Powered by a dependable 350 cubic inch engine and automatic transmission, it is described as a strong and reliable driver. The repainted exterior and exceptionally clean interior add to its appeal. A smooth cruising classic from the era when comfort was king. Number 4. 1957 Ford F100, big window short bed, $8,500, North Hollywood, California. A highly desirable classic pickup featuring the rare big window cab configuration. Powered by a healthy 351 Cleveland engine with a rebuilt automatic transmission, this truck runs and drives well. The body is straight, most gauges work properly, and it remains largely unmodified. With only minor issues like a leaking power steering system, it is an excellent restoration candidate with strong collector appeal. Number 5. 1968 Ford Galaxy 500 convertible, $9,500, South Valley, New Mexico. A bold American convertible powered by a rebuilt matching numbers 390 cubic inch big block engine. This car has received extensive mechanical and suspension work, including upgraded brakes, cooling system, and exhaust. The electric blue paint and large wheels give it a strong custom appearance. Although the top and interior still need work, it offers impressive value considering the amount of money already invested. Number 6. 1984 Chevrolet Corvette, low mileage, $6,500, Medford, Oregon. An early fourth-generation Corvette finished in classic red with a removable roof panel and leather interior. Powered by a 5.7-liter 8-cylinder engine, it runs strong and remains mostly original with just over 53,000 miles. These early C4 Corvettes offer sharp styling, modern handling for their era, and affordable entry into Corvette ownership. Number 7. 1989 Ford F350, $9,500, Alberton, Montana. A rust-free, heavy-duty pickup with only 60,000 original miles. powered by a 460 cubic inch engine and paired with a durable automatic transmission. This truck runs and drives great, according to the seller. Its excellent condition and solid body make it a desirable classic work truck with long-term usability. Number 8, 1987 Chevrolet Camaro $11,900, Prescott Valley, Arizona. A clean second-generation Camaro with a strong 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. With only 67,000 miles, cold air conditioning, fresh paint, and no leaks, this car appears well cared for. The updated stereo and solid mechanical condition make it a reliable and enjoyable classic muscle car for weekend cruising. Number 9, 1985 Pontiac Trans Am, $12,500, Langley, British Columbia. A sharp and collectible third-generation Trans Am equipped with the desirable WS6 suspension package and tuned port injection engine. With low mileage and removable T-top panels, this car captures the sporty spirit of the 1980s. Its excellent condition, original radio, and included extra wheel set add to its collector value. Number 10, 1965 Chevrolet Impala SS convertible, $18,999, Austin, Texas. A beautiful super sport convertible featuring a powerful 396 cubic inch engine and manual transmission. The yellow exterior paired with a black soft top gives it a striking appearance. Mechanical updates over the years improve reliability, while classic features like bucket seats and factory radio maintain its vintage appeal. A desirable full-size muscle-era convertible with strong collector interest. Number 11, 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Rally Sport, $15,000, Inver Grove Heights, Minnesota. A classic second-generation Camaro equipped with the Rally Sport package and traditional 8-cylinder sound. The car runs and drives well, with a solid body and decent interior condition for its age. Finished in red with an automatic transmission, it offers the aggressive styling and road presence that made late 70s Camaros so popular. Number 12, 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, $12,000, Rigby, Idaho. An iconic first-generation Mustang powered by a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. Recently brought back to running condition after sitting for 2 years, it still needs some additional work and attention. The body appears solid with very little rust, and the clean interior and classic styling make it a good entry-level Mustang project with strong long-term appeal.